Get ready to unleash your inner horror movie director as we dive into Adobe Animate and craft some seriously spooky animated tales. First, let's set up our stage. Open Adobe Animate and create a new project. Choose the Action Script 30 preset, and then adjust the stage size to your desired dimensions, maybe 1280 by 720 pixels for a standard HD feel. This is where your nightmare will begin. Next, the fun part: drawing. Use the Tools panel to sketch out the characters or environments. Start simple: a creepy figure, a haunted house, or anything that sends chills down your spine. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and lines. Get creative. Now, let's bring your story to life with animation. Use the Timeline panel at the bottom to create frames. Add new layers for your drawing to organize them. Add keyframes to change the position or appearance of your elements over time, which dictates the movement. The Library panel is your best friend. You can add any images saved here. Use the library to import your assets. Copy and paste your created character and use it in several frames. Play with the movement of your character and start at frames 1, 15, and 30 to give it that creepy vibe. Make it seriously spin-killing. Use the Properties panel to add effects like blurs, transitions, or add spooky colors and tints to enhance the terrifying atmosphere. Think flickering lights or eerie shadows to complete your horror masterpiece. Make sure the animations will have corresponding spooky sound effects, which will help amplify the scare factor to 10. And there you have it. You've crafted a mini horror animation. Now go forth and make some scary movies.